Hello. Today we are showing how we're making this print. This print was done, and there's a video on this, but this was done with our 1850s prepress using a hand-carved wood die from the same period of time. And then this is the lodge at St. John, and it is being typed out on this typewriter, which Macoy, since the beginning of the 19th century, or 1900s, the 20th century, we do ciphers for different grand lodges and other organizations, but this is the cipher, and this is the typewriter that the ciphers used to be typed on. So you're going to be getting in this print that's done with an 1850s prepress on an 1860s or so die, and then the print will be done on this, and I think this is somewhere around a 1920s typewriter, but I don't know for sure. But anyway, let me show you how it works. And I won't type the whole thing out because that will take some time, but just wanted to show you how this would work. So here you go, and we'll show you. So we've got this at shift, and I'm doing this part down here, not this part up here, just to kind of show you how it would work. So you can see, whoops, sorry, I didn't mean to bump that. So that's what the cipher looks like, and that explains what this emblem is, and enjoy. Thank you.